Hello, my students. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. This is your teacher Karim. Welcome again to a new video. Let's get started.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, Miss Eva.
Today, we're going to talk about road and street safety rules.
Wow, that's a good lesson. I'm so excited.
Do you know road and street safety rules?
Yes, Miss Hiba. When you're driving a car, you must fasten your seat belt.
Yes, Islam, that's very important. You must fasten your seatbelt when you're driving a car. Marwa?
When you drive in a car, you shouldn't stick your hand out of the window.
Yes, that's true. It's very dangerous to stick your hand out of the window. Taha?
When you're riding a bike, you should wear a helmet and keep both hands on the handlebars.
Yes, exactly, Taha. You should keep both hands on the handlebars. Yes, Iyad.
You should walk on the pavement and cross at the zebra crossing.
Yes, Jihan.
You should look both ways before crossing straight.
Yes, Jihan, that's correct. What about you, Safa?
You should never cross the speed limit.
Excellent, Safa. What about you, Fatima Zahra?
You don't play in the street.
Yes, that is correct, Fatima Zahra. Thank you, students, for your productive participation.
You're welcome, Miss Eva. Good morning, class. Good morning, Miss Jawahir. Tomorrow we're going to go on a school trip.
Where, Miss Jawahir?
We're going to visit the zoo.
Wow, how are we going to get there?
We're going to get there by bus.
How long does it take by bus?
It takes about 40 minutes.
What time does the bus leave?
The bus leaves at 9 o'clock in the morning.
So we're going to arrive at the zoo at 9:40, right, Miss Jawahir?
Yes, Taha. Is that all?
Yes, thank you, Miss Jawahir.
Good morning, class. Good morning, Miss Jawahir. Tomorrow we're going to go on a school trip.
Where, Miss Jawahir?
We're going to visit the zoo
Wow, how are we going to get there?
by bus.
How long does it take by bus?
It takes about 40 minutes.
What time does the bus leave?
The bus leaves at 9 o'clock in the morning.
So we're going to arrive at the zoo at 9:40, right, Miss Jawahir?
Yes, Taha. Is that all?
Yes, thank you, Miss Jawahir.
Good morning, class. Tomorrow we're going to go on a school trip.
Where, Miss Jana?
We're going to visit the zoo.
How are we going to get there?
We're going to get there by bus.
How long does it take by bus?
It takes about 40 minutes.
What time does the bus leave?
The bus leaves at 10 o'clock in the morning.
So, we're going to arrive at the zoo at 10:40, right, Miss Jana?
Yes, Hajar. Is that all?
Yes, thank you, Miss Jana. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'd like a ticket for Casablanca, please.
Sure.
What time does the train leave?
The train for Casablanca leaves in 20 minutes.
Is the ticket expensive?
No, it isn't. It's $4.
Wow, that's cheap. One ticket, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello.
Hello, can I help you?
I'd like a ticket for Casablanca, please.
Sure.
What time does the train leave?
The train for Casablanca leaves in 20 minutes.
Is the ticket expensive?
No, it isn't. It's $4.
Wow, that's cheap. One ticket, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello.
Hello, can I help you?
I'd like a ticket for Canberra, please.
Sure.
What time does the train leave?
The train for Knetra leaves in 20 minutes.
Is the ticket expensive?
No, it isn't. It's $2.
Wow, that's cheap. One ticket, please.
Here we go.
Thank you. Bye.
This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Goodbye and see you soon.